Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on input devices. Have you ever wondered how we communicate with a computer? A computer cannot understand our thoughts directly. It needs tools that allow us to enter data, commands, and instructions. These tools are called input devices. An input device is any hardware component that sends information to a computer. Whether we type a document, move a cursor, scan a photo, record our voice, or join a video call, we use input devices to interact with the computer. In this lesson, we will explore 7 common input devices shown on the screen: the keyboard, scanner, joystick, mouse, light pen, webcam, and microphone. We will learn what they are, how they work, and where they are used in our daily lives. Let's begin with the most familiar input device, the keyboard. The keyboard is one of the most important and widely used input devices. A keyboard allows users to enter text, numbers, and commands into a computer. It contains several keys, including alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, and special keys such as Enter, Shift, Control, and Spacebar. Whenever you write an email, create a document, search the internet, or enter a password, you are using a keyboard. Modern keyboards come in different types, such as wired keyboards, wireless keyboards, and ergonomic keyboards designed for comfort. The keyboard is popular because it is fast, accurate, and easy to use. It remains an essential tool for students, teachers, office workers, programmers, and many other computer users. Now let's move on to another useful input device, the scanner. A scanner is an input device that converts physical documents, photographs, and images into digital files. Imagine you have an old photograph or an important paper document. Instead of retyping or recreating it, you can place it on a scanner. The scanner captures the image and transfers it to the computer. Scanners are commonly used in schools, offices, hospitals, libraries, and businesses. They help preserve documents and make them easier to share electronically. There are different types of scanners, including flatbed scanners, handheld scanners, and document scanners. One major advantage of scanners is that they save time and help reduce paper storage. Digital copies can be stored, edited, emailed, and backed up for future use. Next, let's explore an input device often associated with gaming, the joystick. A joystick is an input device used to control movement and direction on a computer screen. It consists of a stick that pivots on a base and sends signals to the computer when moved in different directions. Joysticks are most commonly used in video games, flight simulators, driving simulators, and training applications. They allow users to control objects with greater precision than a keyboard. For example, in a flight simulation game, moving the joystick forward, backward, left, or right controls the movement of the aircraft. Many professional training systems, including aviation and military simulations, rely on joysticks because they provide realistic control experiences. Although joysticks are not used as frequently as keyboards or mice in everyday computing, they remain extremely valuable for gaming and simulation environments. Now let's look at another very common input device, the mouse. The mouse is a pointing device used to control the cursor on a computer screen. By moving the mouse across a surface, users can move the cursor, click buttons, open files, drag objects, and navigate software applications. Most computer mice have 2 main buttons and a scroll wheel. The left button is typically used for selecting items, while the right button opens additional options or menus. There are several types of mice available today, including wired mice, wireless mice, optical mice, and gaming mice. The mouse makes it easy to interact with graphical user interfaces. Without a mouse, tasks such as browsing websites, editing images, and organizing files would be much more difficult. Together, the keyboard and mouse form the basic tools most people use when operating a computer. Let's continue with a less common but interesting device, the light pen. A light pen is a pen-shaped input device used to interact directly with a computer screen. Users can point, draw, write, or select objects by touching the screen with the light pen. Light pens were especially useful in earlier computer systems for graphic design, engineering drawings, and computer-aided design applications. Unlike a mouse, which controls a cursor indirectly, a light pen allows direct interaction with displayed content. Although light pens are not commonly used today, their concept helped inspire modern touchscreen technology and digital styluses used on tablets and smart devices. Many modern artists and designers now use digital pens and styluses that offer similar functionality with improved precision and flexibility. Now let's discuss a device that helps computers see, the webcam. A webcam is an input device that captures images and videos and sends them to a computer. Webcams have become an important part of daily life, especially with the growth of online learning, remote work, and virtual communication. People use webcams for video conferencing, online classes, live streaming, video recording, and social media content creation. Most laptops today include built-in webcams, while desktop computers often use external webcams connected through USB ports. Advanced webcams can provide high-definition video quality, autofocus features, and improve performance in low-light conditions. The webcam allows computers to receive visual information, making face-to-face communication possible even when people are located far apart. Finally, let's examine an input device that allows computers to receive sound, the microphone. A microphone is an input device that captures sound and converts it into digital signals that a computer can process. Microphones are used for voice recording, online meetings, podcasts, music production, gaming, and speech recognition systems. Whenever you speak during a video call or use a virtual assistant, a microphone is capturing your voice and sending it to the computer. There are many types of microphones, including desktop microphones, headset microphones, wireless microphones, and professional studio microphones. Microphones play a vital role in communication and content creation, helping computers understand and process audio information. Let's review what we've learned today. Input devices are hardware components that allow users to send data and instructions to a computer. We explored 7 common input devices: the keyboard, scanner, joystick, mouse, light pen, webcam, and microphone. Each device serves a unique purpose and helps us interact with computers in different ways. Understanding input devices is an important step toward learning how computer systems work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.